In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Wix site. Maybe you've been working on a draft design, you're rebranding, or you simply don't want your website to be visible to the public anymore. Whatever the reason, unpublishing your site is quick and reversible, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your web browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, where you can see all the websites associated with your account. If you have more than one site, make sure you're working with the correct one before moving on. At the top left of the screen, you'll see the name of your current site. Click on that site name. This opens a small menu or panel that lets you switch between sites or access key site level settings. If you accidentally pick the wrong one, don't worry. You can always come back to this area and choose a different site. With the correct site selected, look for the option to unpublish the site. Wix usually places this in the site settings or in a clearly labeled area related to your site's status. Click on Unpublish Site. When you do this, Wix may show a confirmation message or a prompt just to make sure you really want to unpublish. This is there to prevent you from turning your site off by mistake. Take a moment to read the message so you understand that unpublishing will make your website inaccessible to visitors. Your content and design will still exist in your account. They just won't be live on the internet. Confirm that you want to proceed. Once you confirm, Wix will process the change. This usually happens very quickly. After it's done, your site's status should show as unpublished in the dashboard. If you try to visit your site's URL in a browser, you should no longer see your live site. The nice thing about this process is that it's not permanent. You can come back to your Wix editor or dashboard at any time and republish the site when you're ready to go live again, without losing your pages, images, or settings.